The world's oldest cruise ship has finally been sold for scrap, having spent a very long time laid up at Rotterdam. These pictures of her leaving the Thames, which was an unsuccessful towaway on the 23rd of November 2020. The vessel has left Rotterdam and is now believed to be in Ghent, Belgium, for scrapping. An emotional moment for maritime enthusiasts worldwide. The Astoria, one of the oldest passenger ships still in existence in the world, embarked on her final voyage from Rotterdam on the 3rd of July 2025. From her berth in Rotterdam, the historic ship was transferred to Ghent, Belgium, by the tugs Malta Tug 3 and Malta Tug 20. There, her final fate awaits at Gulu Recycling Scrapping. Astoria, originally built as the Stockholm for Swedish America Line in 1946 to 1948. Looking back on the ship's turbulent and sometimes tragic past, she achieved notoriety in July 1956 when she was involved in a devastating collision with the Italian liner Andrea Doria. Gulu Recycling had won the auction to acquire the ship for scrapping on the 17th of June 2025 for €200,000. While parting with such a maritime monument is painful, the upcoming recycling does have a positive aspect. Gulu Recycling is aiming for an impressive 96% material reuse rate, which puts sustainability at the forefront. I kind of wonder whether some of the steel may have been made prior to Hiroshima, which could make the steel valuable in hospital HMRI scanners. Attempts to tow away the former Cruise and Maritime Voyages cruise ship Astoria from the Thames were made on the 23rd of November 2020. She initially set off at 0700 from Tower Wharf, Northfleet, under tow by the tug Brent, with SD Dolphin, RT Ambition and Switzer Vidar in attendance. A previous attempt to tow the cruise ship away, involving the tug Monte de Luz, was made, but the tug was having difficulties and so returned to Gravesend with Astoria because of safety concerns. However, this second attempt also had to be abandoned, and Astoria, with her tugs, was forced to return to Tower Wharf after she started listing to port. This is believed to be because of the ship having steering rudder issues. She had not got far away when she was forced to turn round off London Gateway and head back in. It is believed that she was heading for Lisbon, Portugal. The ship had been laid up in Tilbury docks since the spring of 2020, following the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, which caused the Asturias operators, CMV, to go into administration. The ship avoided further detention because she was chartered and not owned by CMV, and now believed to be owned by Nina SPA, who have reclaimed their cruise ship. The ship was launched in 1948 as the Stockholm for Swedish America Line at Gothenburg in Sweden, and is one of the oldest passenger cruise ships still sailing today. In July 1956, under her previous name, Stockholm, she was involved in a fatal collision that caused the sinking of the liner Andrea Doria in heavy fog off the coast of Nantucket. The ship was heavily rebuilt in the mid-1990s at Genoa in Italy, with the upper structure of the vessel totally rebuilt and replaced.